Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Spotify code. So select the song you like and click three dots, select share and select copy song link and go to browser and um, go to spotifycodes.com, select get Spotify code. Oh sorry, copy paste the link and get Spotify code. And here you go, you can adjust for the background colors, bar color, size and format. So just click download. And you can use your phone to scan this code. So that's how to make a Spotify code. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.